Operations on functions part 1. Alright, today we're going to learn how to do operations on functions. Now, this is read f plus g of x. So right in the middle, it tells us the function to do. And this means, the plus means add. So you're going to add the two functions. Another way to write this is to write f of x plus g of x. Okay. This does not mean multiply, it just means add the two functions. B, f minus g of x. So with the two functions, you're going to subtract. And another way to write this is f of x minus g of x. C, right in the middle of these two functions, f times g of x. So this means multiply. So another way to write this is f of x times g of x. Right, so notice the difference between C and D. This is an open circle and that's a closed circle. Closed circle means open, multiply, and open circle means plug in or substitute. Okay, and this is read f composed with g of x. Another way to write this is f of x, open circle, composed with g of x. But we're going to be writing it like this, f of g of x. These all mean the same thing. So let's go to the examples. Let f of x equals 4x squared minus 7x minus 3, g of x equals 3x minus 7, and h of x equals x plus 4. We're going to find f plus g of x. So I'm going to write it right here. Example A, f plus g of x. Remember, this does not mean multiply. This just means add the two functions. Okay, so we're going to write f of x plus g of x. And we're going to go ahead and find f of x. F of x is right here, 4x squared minus 7x minus 3. So I'm going to write that in the parentheses. And g of x, we're going to find that. And that's 3x minus 7. So we're going to write that in the parentheses, 3x minus 7. And right in the middle, I'm going to write plus because I'm adding. So just add the two functions. Just put a 1 here, distribute, positive 3x minus 7. Put a 1 here, distribute, 4x squared minus 7x minus 3. Combine like terms, 4x squared minus 4x plus, no, not plus 4. Negative 3 and negative 7 is negative 10. And this is your answer. B, I'm going to copy the problem. F minus g of x. So this just means subtract the two functions. So f of x minus g of x. Go ahead and find f of x. F of x is right here. 4x squared minus 7x minus 3. I'm going to copy that in one parentheses. And find g of x. 3x minus 7. And right in the middle, subtract. So just subtract the 2. So distribute the negative 1. Negative 3x plus 7. Put a 1 here, distribute. 4x squared minus 7x minus 3. And combine like terms. 4x squared, negative 7x, and negative 3x make negative 10x. Negative 3 and positive 7 is positive 4. And last one, C. I'll write it right here. H times g of x. Right here, closed dot means multiply. So I'm going to find the two functions. Or first I'll write what it means. H of x times g of x. H of x is right here, x plus 4. I'm going to go ahead and write that, x plus 4. And g of x is 3x minus 7, right there. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply, or fill it out. X times 3x, 3x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. After you distribute, you combine like terms. So we're going to go ahead and combine the negative 7x and the positive 12x because they're the same variable and same exponents. And that's your answer. Thank you for your time. This is classwork 4-2, Operations on Functions, Part 1.